Yo, what's good, guys? Today's November 4th, Tuesday 2025, and we are going to get over today's trade recap. I did not take any trades today, to be honest, so we are going just to analyze the AM session for today. So, as you can see in here, NQ went inside the new week opening gap, and ES took this for our fair value gap. So we have this big SMT here. As you can see, NQ is rejecting from here. So okay, we have a bullish bias in the higher time frame. So looking to market open, what I'm looking for is this for our fair value gap. Just you can see was London hikes stacked up with this high here, this other high here. Like the most obvious draw was this fair value gap, and I was looking to it along towards it, but as you can see here, market opens here at 30. Market open at 30. We took sell side liquidity here, so we grabbed that sell side liquidity in there. We also traded inside the new week opening gap again. As you can see, market open trades here, takes this liquidity. I was more favored to see an SMT here, from this SMT to then try something like this inversion, but as you can see, we didn't got that, so we are just rejecting from these lows. So we ended up making this displacement, so it's obvious now we are going to reach here. We also made this swing here, which is the opportunity for people to make just to get a feel in the move. So as you can see, we're reaching this 3-minute fair value gap, which is not in premium, but if the raw liquidity is here, you can not ask for that much and just wait for price to take that internal low, which is also an SMT with ES. So you cannot ask for a premium of the range, and in fact, if we reach premium, we are maybe not that bullish. So we just trade in the upper portion of the 3-minute fair value gap. We got that instant rejection from here, so you could enter of 1 minute CISD, but my personal entry I was looking for is the 30 seconds. As you can see, I did not take this because the 13 seconds did not even ended up revisiting here or something like here. So this is the first trade. I mean, you can still take this off the 1 minute CISD. Their risk to reward is not the best, but you can just use that as a break-even point, as we are in this big for our fair value, so we probably just going a bit higher. In my opinion, the best draw was the premium of the range. We are so overextended, so what I want price to do is just bounce on inefficiency to continue higher and reverse, or just to retrace and continue down. As we are looking now, we are moving down. So this was my first try idea. I ended up not taking this, but because we ended up leaving this 5 minutes, but that's a dumb decision. You can see if the draw on liquidity is that obvious, we are not going to revisit again this low. So this for me, this trade for me, the best trade I could take. I doubt my decision, so I did not take it, but it's a fucking good trade in my opinion. So the rest of the session we just were in premium, so I'm not that interested in longs if we don't rebound some inefficiency first. So you can see price ended up accumulation here, so we ended up accumulating here, then we break out of the range with this SMT at the top. ES reached midnight open, we reject clearly from there. We had this SMT in here, we made this true displacement, so maybe you can take a short from here. I was looking at the 2-minute inverse fair value gap, but as you can see we wicked out this low, which is my break-even point for that entry, so I didn't take that, but it will play beautifully. And my first target was, as I said, rebound some inefficiency of the move up, so my main target was the premium of the range. So I could have taken something like this. It's my premium. It's a good trade, but I didn't take it. I didn't got my entry. I mean, we just closed down here, so I'm not going to enter with this break-even point. I mean, that's a 50 minutes, so that's a reversal point. So I will probably just get break-even here and just wick out. So this is the second trade, but I ended up not taking because I didn't got my entry, and then we just accumulate at the 50% of the range inside this big 30 minutes fair value gap in here. 9:30 price open here, we are holding here. We're probably just going to get inside this box for the rest of the day. I mean, we moved out like 200 points to the upside. I mean, if you miss out this move and this move, there's probably no more trades. So just this is my trade recap. See you tomorrow, guys.